Hey crochet lovers, welcome to AB's Art. In today's tutorial, we will going to learn how to make this beautiful and elegant mobile pouch or mobile case you can see with cute flowers here and beads. So let's go ahead and try making this beautiful mobile cover. Alright, for this project, I am using cotton 4-ply yarn of the brand Cotton from Magic Needles, and this is 100% cotton, super soft and super fine yarn, which I'm using in light blue and white color, both soft colors, to make this mobile pouch. So it also have an indication to start from where, so that you cannot mess up with the yarn. I'll start with white color. I have already taken that out from the starting point. It has indicated here like this. It was mentioned here. Alright, to start with, I have a count of my mobile size, which is, oh sorry, I forgot to mention the hook size, which is 1.75 mm. Let's start by making, you have to count your mobile size, the width of the mobile size. And as per my mobile size, I am making a chain of 22. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Sorry, I'll be taking the width size of 22 because as it is in my next row, I'm going to make an increase. So from second chain onwards, I'll make a single crochet till my last stitch. Here I've reached my last stitch, and in the last stitch I'll make 3 double single crochet, 1, 2 and 3. And now I'm going to work on the back side only, single crochet, until I reach my last stitch, or you can say very first stitch where we have started. And in that stitch I'm going to make 2 single crochet because 1 we have already started with. So here in the last stitch I am making 2 single crochet, and I'm going to do a slip stitch in the very first chain stitch here. So my first round is completed. Chain 1 for the second round and single crochet in the same stitch like this. I'll make 1 single crochet all the way round, till I reach the very first single crochet of the 3 single crochets I have made here. So here I've reached this point wherein I've made 3 single crochets in the same stitch. Now in very first I'll make 2 single crochet, in the next one again I'll make 2, and in the next one again I'll make 2. So I've made total 6 single crochets here in the turnabout, and then I'll repeat 1 single crochet in a row till I reach the 3 single crochet in the same stitch in the last stitch here, and I'll make 2 single crochet, 2 single crochet, and in the last one I'll make 1 because I've already started with 1 single crochet. So I'll complete the second round and I'll see you then. So this second round is also completed, and the base is this big as per my mobile size, the width of my mobile size, this much. Now I'll start with the pattern. So I'll start with chain one, which will count as one single crochet. Then I'll make chain two and a single crochet in the same stitch here, like this. Then I'll skip 1 and 2 stitches here, and in the third one I'll make single crochet, chain 2 and single crochet. Skipping 2 stitches again, I'll make single crochet, chain 2 and single crochet. Skipping 2 stitches, I'll make single crochet, chain 2 and single crochet. Likewise, I'll keep doing and I'll finish the round till here, and I'll see you after the end of the third round. So I'm done with my third round, and after skipping these two, in this one I'll make, in the very first chain 2 space, I'll make a slip stitch. If you wish, you can directly start with the next round by putting a stitch marker, or you can do the way I am doing, just to remember, because I don't have to put a stitch marker. So I'm going to do a slip stitch here, and I'll start my next round same way, with one chain, which will count as one single crochet, and two chains for chain 2 space, and a single crochet in the same stitch, like this. Again, in the next one, single crochet, 2 chain, single crochet. Likewise, I'll keep repeating single crochet, 2 chains and single crochet all the way down in the fourth round as well. So basically, this entire mobile holder or mobile case is of the similar round, third round, which I'll keep repeating, and I'm gonna use this color maybe after every 2 rows, or I can make 2 rows of white color, 2 rows of this color, or you can choose color as per your choice, and you can change color as per your choice. So I'll make this mobile cover as per the desired length of my mobile, and I'll see you then for the finishing round. So I have almost completed my mobile case, mobile cover, and just to give a finishing touch, I'm gonna make my final round with this white color. So I'll attach this white color here, make 1, 2, and 3 chains, which will count as one double crochet, and then I'll make one, two, two more double crochets. So 3 double crochets, add one slip stitch in this, like this. I'll skip the next stitch, this one. I'll make a single crochet here, and in the next one again, I'll make 3 double crochets, 1, 2, 3, and a slip stitch here, like this. Again, a single crochet in the next one, and I'll keep repeating this way till the end of the round, and I'll see you here. So here the round is completed, and finally I'm gonna make a slip stitch from where we have started, like this. I'll cut this yarn, so here this is completed and with the final round, and now I'm gonna add these flowers, little flowers here, to give it a pretty look, like this. Alright, so finally our mobile cover or mobile pouch is ready. I hope you like this tutorial, so please go ahead and try making this beautiful and elegant mobile pouch, and do let me know in the comment how you like it. Please keep liking, sharing and subscribing my videos. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.